Oh, hi there. If you don't already know, but I'm sure you do, I'm Citrus Maloney and I am what is known as an influencer. And that means I totally have my finger on the pulse of what is trendy and cool right now. And you know something that is totally coming back again is destroyed denim. And today, Sherry is going to show you how to transform some really dowdy mom jeans into something totally on trend, and that is destroyed boyfriend style jeans. And yeah, it doesn't take any sewing at all. And by the way, I know Sherry is like old and like who cares about old people? But you know what? She does have really cool free content over on her site, Confessions of a Refashionista, where she teaches you how to live sustainably and how to refashion your clothes, how to upcycle furniture. I mean, like there's everything over there. So head on over, share your favorite tutorials and articles. And yeah, if you would love to see more of me, then let Sherry know in a comment below. And yeah, let's get to the tutorial already. And I guess subscribe, like, share, whatever. And okay.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy no-sew project, all you need is your dowdy denim, an X-Acto knife, a piece of chalk, a block of wood that fits into your dowdy denim, and a barbecue cleaning brush. This is my favorite denim destructing tool, and it can be found at pretty much any dollar store. So your first step is to pop the jeans on and mark the areas that would naturally become worn out over time. For example, the knees. Next, take your block of wood and pop it in between the layers of denim, right behind your marks. Then grab your X-Acto knife and very carefully cut through your marks. Once you're happy with your slashes, grab that barbecue cleaning tool and using the metal brush, simply go over and really kind of try to age and fray up those cuts. Now you can see this lovely little brush definitely frays up the denim nicely. You can also use the scraper tool to scrape away at the denim, and that will really give it a nice aged and worn in look as well. I also like to go and wear out around the edges of the pockets, and also a little bit here in the thigh area where the jeans would naturally bend when you're sitting down. And my destroyed holy denim is now ready for the final step to make it really look old and worn out. Guten Tag! Are you enjoying this video? Good! Then maybe you want to subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her very reasonable eBooks. They are packed with Refashionista tutorials and fantastic sustainable lifestyle tips and tricks. So, you finish the video and then you go do this, okay? Okay. To give your denim a more aged and worn out look, simply pop it in a bath of hot water and bleach. And within an hour or two or more, depending on how light you would like it to be, there will be a definite color change happening. Now, obviously, once you are happy with the color, you will go ahead and launder as usual. And the laundry process will also fray and destroy these edges a little bit more. You see, what did I tell you? How cool and awesome was that tutorial? I mean, really, Sherry has over 1,400 tutorials, articles, pre-loved style inspiration posts over on her site, Confessions of a Refashionista. Links are all down below. Oh, she also writes ebooks and everything, which is like totally cool. And yeah, so why are you watching me? Head on over there and start refashioning your wardrobe.